another one, guys, is this car with Merry Christmas sign and... Okay, guys, so we are going to show you, or I am going to show you all the things that I bought these days through internet because I didn't go out and shop. I only shop in Amazon now because of COVID. Yes. Okay, so let's start, guys, with these cushion covers. Ang gaganda nito, guys. So, bale, this are 4 cushion covers. Yes, I will show you the print. So look at this. Can you see it properly? Let it snow, sabi niya. The print says let it snow. And another one is this tree. Yes, or let it snow. This Merry Christmas print. Merry Christmas print. And another one is this snowflake, big snowflake. And another one is, ta-da! Pine trees. Yes. So nice and beautiful, right? So I have 4 of these guys. And I also have white, 2 of this white color. Yes, guys. So if you can see the print, yes, it's also snowflakes. So my husband and my kids are here, guys, in the dining room, and they are painting. Don't mind their voices if you hear them talking. So, bale dalawa ito, guys, na cushion. Kaso nga lang, ang kulay niya is just plain white with the snowflakes prints. Okay, so these are cushions also, guys. And I also bought this. 4 din ito, guys. Yes. Pero pahaba siya na cushion din. Pahaba na short. Yes. So I have this print. It says it's the most wonderful time of the year. So that's the print. It is really so nice. Another one is Let It Snow with the reindeer. And another one is this Farm Fresh Christmas tree. And this one, have yourself a little Merry Christmas. Yes, guys. So ang cute nila, diba? So these are 4 cushions as well, guys. And sa decorations naman, ito yung mga nabili ko sa bazaar. So, ito pala itong mga ito pala, guys, nabili ko dito sa amin. Yes, sa bazaar. So, hindi na kami pumunta sa city, dito na lang sa amin. So, ang cute, diba? It is so nice. This is snowman in wood. Yes, kahoy siya na snowman. Diba? Ang ganda. So another one, guys, is this car with Merry Christmas sign and reindeer. So this one is €3.60 lang, guys. Tapos itong isa naman, si snowman na kahoy din. It is $3.95. It is $3.95 naman siya, guys. Another one is this house, guys. So it is really so cute as well, with Santa here. Wood din siya, and this one is €3.95 din. And also we have this star sign with Merry Christmas. This is €5.50. Yeah, cute niya, diba? So you can put like this. Huh, Daddy? Yes.
Merry Christmas, very beautiful.
Merry Christmas. Yeah. For a change of our decorations. Yes. Okay, and look at this Christmas tree. Wood Christmas tree naman siya, guys. Diba? Ang ganda with Xmas. And another one, another wood. This is also wood, guys. Ayan. With Noel Christmas naman siya, guys. Ang sign ang nakalagay dito, Noel and Christmas. And Ayan, reindeer also. It is really so nice, right? Okay guys, so I have these two small tree. Yes, maliit lang siya. And these are for our bedside table. The price is €3.95 bawat isa. Yes. So, tig-isa kami. One for hubby and one for me. Yes. So, those are for the decorations, Christmas decorations, guys. And also, I bought these chair covers, guys, for our dining. Para siyang big hat. And with this white pom-pom on it. It is really so cute. So, I have 6 of these, guys. Ayan. 6. And also, I bought also duvet cover for Christmas duvet cover for Hailey and for Lakota, unicorn, and for us. And for us is nandito pala. It's here. So we are going to open it. Yes, so yeah. And also guys, I bought this one. Yes, for our kitchen, and I will show it to you. This is a kitchen set, food and drinks, silicone utensil set, guys. So this box is silicone utensils set, temperature resistance, minus 30 degrees Celsius to minus 230. Yes, guys. So this one. Let's open it, and I will show you what's inside. Hindi ko pa talaga binuksan, guys. Dumating na nung isang araw, pero hindi ko pa talaga binuksan. So, hindi ko pa binuksan ito, guys. So, bale, 12 pieces. So, may plastic siya na lagayan, guys, na kulay pink nandyan. Ang cute! It is really so cute. So, ang cute, guys. So, bale, 12 pieces. So, may tong siya. So, may tong siya, guys, na kulay pink. All in pink. Ang cute! That is why, wow, ang lambot. It is really so nice. I have one of this, but black in color. And another kind of ladle. Ayan. So, silicone. This is silicone. This part, the pink color is silicone. And the brown part is wood, made up of wood. So, they are really so cute, guys. Ayan. And this one too. Hailey's going to put it. And we also have this hand mixer. Yes, it is really so nice. And we have also these for spaghetti. This one is for spaghetti. It is so cute. It is so nice. And I love the color. It's light pink or pastel pink. And another ladle here. So guys, yes, we have this ladle. And another ladle here. And thank you, darling. And another is this one, guys, for soup. As in na maganda talaga siya. It's so cute and so soft. And we also have this brush. Yes, to brush it, guys, on top, to brush or wash the food. Before wash the food with egg. Yes. And another ladle. Yes. Ayan, pang gisa-gisa naman ito siguro. Ang cute. Kasi guys, may ano din siya, may hole din siya. So if you want to hang it, you can just hang it like this. Yes. Thank you, darling. And another one is this kind of ladle. Yes. And another one is this one. So we also have this ladle. Thank you, darling. And we also have this. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. So, ano siya, guys? Silicone. And it is BPA free. So, ayan. Okay guys, so that's my kitchen ladles. And I also have this box guys. So this one is our duvet cover. Yes guys, kasi ang meron kami na Christmas is yun nga yung kulay red, and this year I want to change it. So bumili ako guys ng white color, and the size is 260 by 220. So the size is here down. So the size is here 260 by 220. And let's open it. Whoopsie. So it has this card, and let's open it. Taran! It's white guys. Tapos may dalawa siyang unan. Yes. Duvet cover. Yeah, it is very soft. Yes, very soft. Talaga siya guys. Very soft, and para siyang cotton, but it says that it is 100% microfiber. Yes, but it is very soft guys. Really so nice. I love it. So you will see this one. I will wash it first before I put it. Yes. And yeah guys, as in a very soft. Kasi bago ko ito binili guys, I read the reviews of other people, and they said that yeah, they love it. Many people love it. Alright. These are the duvets that I bought from Amazon guys, and this one is Christmassy. It's for Christmas. For Hailey. And Lakota, she has this. Yes, so this is Lakota's guys. Really pretty, so cute. So you can see that. Really so nice. Another one guys is this box. Let's open it. What's inside? Ang laki yung box niya, pero maliit lang ang laman guys. Ito lang. Ang laki ng box. Ito lang naman pala ang laman niya guys. Alright, so ito naman guys ay for my olive oil. I also read people's reviews dito sa olive oil bottle na ito. As in maganda guys. Expensive siya. This one is 21 euros. But maganda siya guys. Yes. And it comes also with a funnel. Yes. Para pag maglagay ka ng oil, mas madali pag maglagay ka ng oil. So ayan guys. Ang ganda niya. The quality is really so nice, and you can just press this and you can control how much olive oil you want to put. Yes, so kasi guys, yung sa akin kasi malaki kasi masyado guys yung lagayan ko ng olive oil, and it takes lots of space. Kaya yun, bumili ako ng our dog is barking. So, yun lang guys ang mga pinamili ko. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Comment down below guys kung ano ang nagustuhan nyo doon. And don't forget to subscribe of course. And hope to see you again with a brand new video. Bye!